Jai Hind students, my name is Atmaram and in this video we are going to learn comparing numbers. Comparing numbers with different number of digits. Let's see one example. If you could draw a line from one side of planet Earth through the center up to the other side, it would measure 12,756 kilometers. If you did the same to the planet Mercury, it would be 4,879 kilometers. Which is bigger? Label the two planets alongside after you have compared the numbers. So here by observation we can see which planet is bigger and which is smaller. So here we can easily compare them because there is a very big difference in their sizes. So here we can see the diameter of Earth is 12,756, whereas Mercury it is 4,879. So let's count the number of digits. So in the first number there are 5 digits and in the second number there are 4 digits. So here you can compare the number of digits. The greatest number of digits, the greater the number. The number which has more digits is the greater number. So here you can see that first number has 5 digits. So you can say 12,756 is greater than 4,879. Therefore we can say Earth is the bigger planet. Let's see one example. (91,842) and the second number is 1,65,790. Which one is the bigger number? To solve this, first we need to count the number of digits in both the numbers. So in the first number there are 5 digits, whereas in the second number there are 6 digits. So you can easily compare the numbers. So here second number is the greatest number. So we can say 91,842 is smaller than 1,65,790. Let's see the another case, comparing numbers with the same number of digits. To understand this, let's take one example. If you did the same to the planet Venus, it would measure 12,104 kilometers. Then in such case, which is smaller, Earth or Venus? This is Earth and this is planet Venus. So if you observe the sizes are almost same, not exact but almost same. Let's now note down the numbers. We need to compare 12,104 with 12,756. So the steps which we have to follow are: start from the left and compare the digits. So when the number of digits are same in both the numbers, we need to start comparing from left side. Compare them to decide which is the smaller or the greater number. Let's see how to do this. Let's take both numbers and start comparing from left side. So here in the first number the leftmost digit is 1, whereas in the second number also it is 1. So both are same. Because both are same, we will go for the next digit. The next digit is 2 in both the numbers, which is also same. Let's go for the next digit. So in the first number there is 1, whereas in the second number there is 7. So here 7 is the bigger number. 7 is greater than 1. So therefore we can say second number is the greater number. So we can write 12,104 is smaller than 12,756. So the answer is Venus is smaller than Earth. Let's see one example. We will take two numbers, 92,506 and second number is 92,056. Now in both numbers the number of digits are same. In the first number there are 5 digits and in second number also there are 5 digits. So let's compare the numbers from the left side. So the left side first digit is 9, which is same for both numbers. The second digit is 2, that is also same for both numbers. Let's see the next one. In the first number it is 5 and in the second number it is 0. So here 5 is greater than 0. Therefore we can say the first number is greater than second number. So here we can write 92,506 is greater than 92,056. Let's see the next topic, the number before. Subtract 1 from the given number to find the number before. Whenever we have to find number before, we have to subtract 1 from the given number. We can also call the number before predecessor. So it is also called as predecessor. For example, the number before 6,78,800 is 6,78,799. So how to find this? We need to subtract 1 from 6,78,800. So after subtracting 1, we will get the answer 6,78,799. Let's see one question. Give the number before. The number is 45,69,500. So here to find the number before, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. So after subtracting 1, we will get 45,69,499. So the answer is 45,69,499. Let's solve the another example. The number is 87,16,000. To find the number before, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. And the answer is 87,15,999. The next topic is the number after. Add 1 in the given number to find the number after. We can also call the number after successor. So it is also called as successor. So to find the successor, we need to add 1 in the given number. For example, the number after 56,79,999 is 56,80,000. To find this, we need to add 1 in the given number. This way we can find the successor or the number after. Let's solve a question. Give the number after. The first one is 9,29,499. So let's add 1 to find the number after. The answer is 9,29,500. Let's take another example. 79,98,999. To find the successor, we need to add 1 in the given number. After adding 1, we will get the number 79,99,000. This way, we can find the number after. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.